So in this video, we'll see how to avoid the doubling of shipping costs due to multiple locations in Shopify. So if I go into my shipping and delivery, you can see that I have two locations here, a shop location and a warehouse location. I have two locations and I want to charge a standard shipping charge of 10 rupees no matter how many the products are coming from one location or two location. And the issue is in Shopify is that if items come from two location, then the standard shipping charge would become 20 rupees because 10 rupees for each location, so the charge would become 20 rupees. So now this is a fundamental issue in Shopify, so we cannot solve this issue directly, but what we can do is we have a workaround solution for that. So what we can do is we can create another rate in Shopify which is of 5 rupees, which is exactly half of the charge that you want to charge. So for example, I'll create a charge here called standard shipping. Now this should be exactly half of the amount you want to charge. So because I want to charge 10 rupees, I'll create another rate of charge 5 rupees. Notice that the name of the rate should be different from one another. For example, here I have changed the S of the word shipping to small and the first one is capital. So although these two rate names look same, they are actually different. So the rate names need to be different from one another. So now I have two rates here, $10, 10 rupees and 5 rupees. So what we are going to do is uh, whenever Shopify doubles up the charges, we will hide the first rate, which is the 10 rupee rate, which because of doubling will become 20 rupees, and we will only show this rate uh, to the users. So and we will do this hiding using the app, using Shipmagic app, and basically we will only show the second rate, which is the 5 rupees, which due to the doubling will become 10 rupees. So our aim of charging 10 rupees as the shipping price to the end customer is fulfilled. Similarly, when the Shopify shipping charges are not getting doubled up, in that case we will hide the new rate that we have created, the 5 rupee one, and only show the original rate, which is 10 rupees. So in both the cases, the doubling and the non-doubling case, your customer will only see one rate, which is 10 rupees. So let's see this action. So after you have created these two rates, click on save. Next we need to go to the app. Let's open the app in another tab so that we can have this open here. Cool. So now we need to go into shipping customizations and click on create customization. We can give the name as double case for the first rule. Here we need to choose the condition as shipping rate. Now enter the name of the original rate that you have here. So which is standard shipping with a capital S in our case. So this is standard shipping equals, now because this is double case, enter the value which is double of the original rate. So because this is 10, the double of 10 will be 20, so enter 20 here. And then if this is the case, then we want to hide the standard shipping, which is the original rate. So this is the double case. This rule is going to handle that whenever standard shipping is 20, hide standard shipping with capital S. So save this and yeah, and let's create another customization called single case. Same shipping rate, standard shipping equals, now because this is a single case, the value here will be exactly what you want, so which is 10. And now whenever this is the case, we want to hide the new rate that we have created, so we will enter standard shipping as the rate here and click save, and we are done. Now all we need to do is we need to test this on our checkout page. So if I go into catalog, I have two products added here. One is the warehouse product and shop product. So let me add only one product right now to the cart. So I'll add it to the cart and I'll check out. So ensure that you're using the first name as Shipmagic because the app is in test mode. So and the app only works if you enter the first name as Shipmagic in test mode. And then we will enter the address. So now as you can see that I have one product in cart and the shipping being charged is rupees 10. The other shipping rate that we have created of $5 of the price 5 rupees is hidden. Now let's go to the store once again and add another product from second location, and let's check out. So now I should still see the price as 10 rupees, but I should see the shipping rate with a smaller s. So as you can see that I'm seeing the price standard shipping with a smaller s and the price is 10, and the original shipping rate which whose charge would have become 20 rupees because of the doubling is hidden. So this is how you can set up the app to avoid the issue of doubling of charges. You can also do it for 3 locations. For 3 locations you simply need to go here and add another rate again with a new name, which is exactly one third the value of what you want to charge. So one third of 10 is 3.33. So you can click on done, click on save, and then go into the app, have this new rate in the first 2 rules. Just click on add here and add this to both the rules. And similar to how we have created the double and the single case, we will also create another rule for triple case. So triple case, shipping rate, again the standard shipping with a capital S equals triple the amount of what you want to charge. So 10 into 3 is 30, and then in this case we will hide standard shipping and standard shipping with a small s. So done. Now you have created the set up the app for 3 locations. So you can do this for up to 5 locations because Shopify allows us to create maximum 5 such rules. There's a limit by Shopify that you cannot have more than 5 rules. So you can create it for 5 such locations. Let me know if you have any questions or face any issues while setting up this app.